Welcome to Tech Traveler Shop. Today I am going to unbox Tapo Full HD security camera Tapo C200C 180 pixel Full HD, motion detection and notification, motion tracking, micro SD card and cloud storage, 512 GB, pan tilt view, pan or tilt view, baby carrying detection, customizable privacy mode, two-way audio, share. You can also share your favorite clips. Let's unbox. Okay, this is the inside of the box. There is a foam on the top. Now this is the user manual, quick guide. This is the adapter. Okay, this is the screw, and the adapter is really good. I think the cable is long, and this is our camera. This is where you can insert the micro SD card and reset button also here. The adapter cable is long enough. The camera image sensor is a 1 by 2.8 inch progression scan CMOS not straight light sensor. Okay, lens, focal length 4.0 mm, aperture 2, field view of 93 degree diagonal and 83 degree horizontal, 40 degree vertical. Okay, night vision 850 nm IR LED, 40 feet by 12 meter. The motion detection, person detection and baby cry detection is available. Activity zone only works with motion detection. Okay, output notification, system notification with snapshot, system notification with clips. The 9V DC power adapter, power source, input voltage adapter 100 to 240 volt, output voltage adapter output 9 volt 0.6 ampere. We have turned on the camera. It's really nice. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.